Welcome everyone, welcome to another live streaming session. Get this rolling. Hope you're all doing great. Let's talk about the trades that we took yesterday. Bit unlucky for my side. The take profit levels that I had did not hit, although it was, I don't know why it did not hit, to be honest with you. During the Let's take a look at it here. So my stop loss was a little bit even lower. It was literally where it's hit, but for some reason the broker did not activate it at all, and the GBP ends at the oh, yeah, GBP ends at the GBP ends at the came right to the entry that I had here. I had it break even last night when I saw it's pushing. It was around here when I went to break even, and then it didn't hit the take profit level up here. It did hit the take profit level, but it did not actually um, filled my order. And it came back and stopped me out on the GEP NZD on break even. A little heartbreaking. About 100 pips in here. And same thing with NZD USD. This one also about 45 pips here. And Euro NZD also. We entered about here. Went about 80 pips. So our analysis is not invalid. It's just the try that I had for it did work. As I said at the start, it's a little bit just unlucky. It's can't fight these things. Um, and my analysis is macro, so we probably gonna get more chance to get in. I'm into the Euro NZD and NZD USD right now, but that doesn't look okay right now too. Overall is okay. Current momentum is not that great, and the weighted levels are respected on GBP NZD, NZD USD, and Euro NZD. It gives a little bit possible reversal from here or more play around here. Looking at the daily, we're not in the greatest momentum scenario here, right? But I do love the previous day's candle close. So as I said, we're gonna wait a little bit on it to see what happened. I'm break even on them, so if we find any trade, that's a good thing about it. If we find any other trade, we're going to take it because we're not risking right now. Euro Canadian didn't come back yet for a chance. It's working around the high. Today's Tuesday. Is it? Yeah. Oh, I have a haircut appointment today. So it can maybe coming to this level and play around the high before coming back down once to give us a little bit chance maybe. It didn't reach the DMA on either 3 hour or 1 hour or 30 minutes. So 1.61750 around here would be a nice area to come back. We will see. Let me put this. Guys, make sure to please. Yeah, like this stream, please, guys. Like this stream and subscribe to the channel. All right, we're back. So looking at Euro Canadian, it's like that. So GBP Canadian, pretty much same thing, all of them. This is a trade we took last week. So if you're holding still, great. If not, you can just wait like me for a retracement. We talked about NZDs. Let's go to JPYs. JPYs are looking good too. I do like it. Let's see if we can get an entry on them. I do like the 30 minutes too. We think 40 pips would be alright. Let's see here. Yeah, not bad. Let's take a look at GJ. Also looking okay. Nice momentum during London session. And Euro JPY also looking fine. 55 pips is stop for Euro JPY if we want to get in. And USD JPY is about 40. GJ is a bit too much, I think. Yeah, 70 something. So we can choose the better ones here. For 55 pips of EJ and 35 pips on UJ. I might choose 35 pips on UJ for now. Let me see. Let me calculate my position size real quick. It's USD. Take a look at 15 real quick. Looking alright. So 35. Okay, the UJ is fine. You're in. You look at Euro JPY for 55 pips. And didn't get into the GBP JPY because of the way that it's a little bit extra stop loss, and GBPs are a little bit more volatile than NZDs, so I wanted to have a better stop loss. 2 is enough. Actually, 1 is enough. If you catch just one pair of the JPY's move, you should be happy about it. But you can see my style. Try to find the pair or the currency that is gonna make the move, and then find. Sometimes we can get onto all. Like 2 weeks ago, we only got into EuroCAD and GCAD. We got into Euro NZD, not USD Canadian. And this week we did Euro NZD, GBP NZD, and NZD USD. And right now we're doing only UJ and EJ. So that's something you can, you know, pay attention and learn. Are you still in the Forexia community? Well, I don't think Forexia community exists anymore in the form that it used to be. Um, I'm forever a student of Forexia because I learned a lot of stuff from Forexia. The EMAs I learned from Brandon Forexia, the traps I learned from Mark. So I'm in depth, and I was privileged enough to teach a lot of people inside the Forexia platform, you know. But yeah, I always had my own stuff, you know. I always had my own community, even inside the Forexia that I was. I had my own YouTube channel, my own community, my own students, my own brand. But so the DMA course, because I haven't had it properly secured, it was shared with a lot of people. That's why I stopped it. I stopped teaching it because it kind of pissed me off, because I was trying to help people and they were stealing it, didn't value it, and I stopped it until the AI boom, I should say. Once the AI boom happened, I got into AI and I realized that, all right, I either can go and do this for someone else's business, or I can come back to my old business and redo it, because a lot of work was happening on that time for me too, that I could not handle it with my businesses and everything. So I was ending up missing the sessions, or so I stopped it. But then with the AI, I could edit the videos, get things done much faster. So I'm back. And with the school community that we have, it's more secure, it's forced to be engaged. If you want to be rewarded with free courses and free material, you need to engage. And if you engage, then we know you. A lot of people who are there to steal your stuff, they're not going to be much engagement in there. So it's a good filter. That's why I'm back. And I truly believe the next generation or next business era is towards having a community. And I do have a trading bots that I've been working for the last 5 years. So in order for me to be able to gain investors for it, I had to come back too. All that came together. Here we are, live daily sessions every day. But yeah, Forexia is nothing wrong with Forexia. You can go to YouTube channel. They have free book, I think. I'm not sure if they're doing any teaching right now, but let's see. All right, so let's go quickly towards the rest of the list. Euro AUD looking bullish towards the yearly moving average here. Same with these. AUD USD bearish and GBP AUD. So it's pretty much like the NZD, but the difference is in NZDs we are going towards the macro direction. In AUDs we are counter trending towards the macro direction. You see, it's like this right now. So we might see, and that's why I never want to trade this one, because at any point it can just turn and the game they can change. But if you are into the correct trend, then it can just push further than you expected, and that's much more fun. Looking at gold, came above yearly moving average here. Daily candle yesterday closed above yearly moving average. That's a very important thing in my opinion. And looking at other time frames, we are seeing a break on the 3-hour and 1-hour. No cross yet, only on 30 minutes. So, hell of a consolidation coming your way. USD CHF, same thing, reaching the yearly moving average. If not reacting quick, we expect staying there. And I'm very happy we did not touch these things for about 30-40 days, and we were absolutely right not to touch it. Looking at US dollar Canadian, also pushing just like Euro CAD and GBP CAD, but did not really give us any entry. As I mentioned before, I actually bought it yesterday, but not in market, real life. I got some more. I had it some around here and here and here, and now we added here. Advantage of being a Forex trader and a currency exchange. That's literally one of the reasons I got into this business, because knowing how to do the analysis and have the expectations is an edge you won in this business. Same thing is happening with the silver too. A nice bullish engulfing above yearly moving average. I like it. Crypto's turning bulls. Ripple had a really nice push yesterday. I'm not adding or anything. I'm just gonna witness it. And oil is also US30 the bullish scenario continuing to be bullish. Actually consolidating here, so I'm expecting maybe by 9:30, if they hit this, they coming back down to 51,200 maybe to fill this gap and hit the DMA and level even on daily and get ready for continuing to the push And oil went down to $78. Surprising for me, honestly. Not surprising. I mean, I was expecting them to, once they hit it here yesterday, to come back up, and I did not believe the negotiation is going well, but it looks like it's going, unless we're getting trapped. A nice hit to the level as well here. Quickly going over the rest of the, what we already have. NZ is looking, can't really say anything about them. The JPYs are fine. Let me just bring them up on my MT5 too. So I can watch them easier. NZDs together. And JPYs together. Too small because there's too many charts. It's okay. Let me know if you guys are in any position or trade. So we can discuss it a little bit. I'm not really feeling the game right now. Too early. If that NZDs would hit that stop loss, it would be super fun and super accurate. JPY is looking solid in my opinion. Even NZDs are looking solid. Maybe like right at the moment they're not doing what they're supposed to do or the direction. I don't buy this pullback as a complete change of the direction, to be honest with you. Need a little bit more push too. Guys, don't forget to join the community too. I have the link on the chat. Free to join. And like this stream as well, you get EMA Masterclass, Fibonacci Masterclass, Trap, Price Action, and Risk. And it's all free. And you have to be you engage. As you engage, you earn points. As you earn points, you unlock access to these courses. And if you don't want to engage in anything, you can pay the subscription and just get access to all of them. But don't do it now because I'm updating the courses. All of them is not done. Because I know it takes time for you guys to, if you want to engage. But you will get access to DMA and levels. So if that's important for you, you can subscribe, get access to it, and then courses will be unlocked at some point. Well, not unlocked. Courses will be unlocked right away. But like, I mean the update of the course. Alright. Let's play some games. Better than that. I've never been into this map, I think. Italy. I can't really change that chart to something that covers all of them. So bear with me. I mean, we can only just watch that. I'm gonna have this here, maybe. Really? Picture of Maya Khalifa. It's a warm up, guys. Don't judge. Just woke up a couple hours ago. Really? Okay, so it looks like the Canadians, like the ends of this a bit of a move. Good thing. Looks like this thing come back from NZD and little bit of a push on UJ side, not on your JPY yet. So I'm looking at the chart. Hello, brother. How are you? I'm doing good, man. How are you doing? Good morning. Welcome to stream. Check the chart real quick. 5 minutes left. I think I have to change this. So we are into, just to update you guys. We are into USD JPY, Euro JPY buys, and the NZD trades are running. We're waiting to see what's gonna happen. by 9:30, if by 9:30 everything runs into profit, that shows one thing, that um from Asian session to start of London session, they pushed it, and then London's job was to retrace price back on NZDs and take everyone out of um their positions, just like what they did to me, GBP NZD. They stopped me out on break even, and I swear to God, if I show you, not even this one, but I didn't see this one yet on my MT5, but this one, this is literally where my stop was, and there is not even weak to where they hit my stop loss on GPNZD, and they could have done the same thing up here because that's where my take profit was. But now I'm not even gonna leave my take profit there. If this starts to push, now I want to see break of that one. I'm not fighting with the market. It's just, you know, for Tuesday I was okay with that. But if they come back and hit the levels and all, like what they're doing right now, then I would expect more big push. You know. So yeah, nothing really different. Gonna stick to there and back to the king. Hungry king. Be right back. Something interesting I wanted to talk about actually. Something interesting I wanted to talk about is um, the fact that market every now and then, they will be, there is like a trends that comes, and there is like these different traders that so a couple of years ago it was news trading. Most of them are from South Africa, Nigeria, those areas. It's like it's because they are more, I should say, in terms of risk. They take big risk. Like they're they have a thing, no risk, no Ferrari. I saw they say a lot. But oh, what's that not so? So sorry. So they had this trend when they would put pending orders on the news. One buy stop, one sell stop, and they would enter right before news. There was a lot of people lost a lot of money, so they would tell you that you have to do, because some brokers wouldn't allow that. They would say that you have basically, damn you. So they had to basically use two different broker or two different accounts in some way. And now the new trend is basically using ultra high leverage, um, like 1 to 3,000 or something should be, in my opinion, to take that type of trade. So they would put $100 in the accounts that start dropping 0.3 on it, not one, until the account says no more money, you know. And once that happened, um, so and once that happened, they basically, so they enter 0.22222, and then takes couple seconds. The moment it goes to blue, they close it, and now account is like 200, and then they continue doing it with no literally you have no analysis, nothing. They just, okay, now it's gonna go up, bye. And what I want to say is that don't fall. You, if you are into forex market long enough, you would understand its traps that is happening. You know, what they are doing basically. You have to be careful about it and learn it. Don't let them kind of trap you in different ways, and you'll be like, oh my god, look at him, he did, I'm in a sell on USD running 140 pips. Beautiful, my brother, beautiful. I'll be checking it in a second. um don't let the market manipulate you like that. I would want to. Let's take a look at trades. JPYs are looking okay. NZDs not so much. Cats are dropping. So let's take a look at gold. You're in a sell 140 pips. Where did you sell? Up here, above the high. I think this gonna I'm not sure which pair I was talking about. I said it might come and fill the gap. Maybe it was this one. Oh, it was US30. Oh no, it continued to push. Good thing I don't trade it. um, for the sell on gold, it's going towards that consolidation for me, coming close to all that averages. I'm not taking any trade on gold, but we have a if you are on 140 pips right now around here entry today, then not for you. But overall, I think the more it's going with the war and all, the negotiation, this gets more probable and more probable as events are happening in the world, you know. So we don't have anything on here. I'm just gonna continue monitoring our NZDs. Euro NZD, GBP NZD. 936. I like the number. Alright, let's get back to the Jacob with the pink profile picture. Jacob with the pink profile picture. Should change the profile picture. Sir Salamanca. People are funny, man. I don't know how they come up with these names. Sir Salamanca. Alcazar. Kazir. So funny when they think they can kill you. You did or something. Third time. What kind of names are these? Jason with an AVP. I put it on GJ and we are not even on GJ. So this. Little Jason with an AVP. Really? How did you see me? 32 seconds for this match. NZ these are going against. I was last kill. When I joined the community and membership is pending, when will it be approved? You can count to 9 from 9 and I approve it. 2. Done, my friend. Just refresh it and you would see. So, taking a look again. Jesus. Yeah, looks like they're coming for it. It's not fair. should have ordered them. Let's go. Let's go get address. If you guys share stuff on the community, the trades, make sure to keep the charts into so people can see it. If you're enjoying the stream, like it, please. The stream, it really helps the YouTube channel to grow. Already growing much better than before. We have 18 views today. Just growing every day. Thank you. Take care. This guy is fine. Oh, Doom. No way. How did you find the profile picture of Doom? It's an animation. NZD's coming. My heart is broken. Don't do this. Bought this for 3 cents. Oh, we're almost here. Who's behind us? I hate this gun. I mean, I hate this gun. You can knife someone with it. Charts. 15 minutes candle is closed. The NZDs are not looking great. The JPY is looking good. Let's see. So that's nothing really happening. It's like, ouch. Dude. Dude, let me kill the other guy too. Couldn't read the guy's name. Why am I experiencing lag? Who's behind that? Dude, that's what I literally do. APY is not looking good too. Down. Let's see. GG's okay, UG's okay. NZD can turn good because it's respecting the levels and DMAs and all. So it's just maybe a matter of time. And the JPYs are looking good. So that's pretty much our goal. We wanna basically, well, our trades. We have NZDs and JPYs. That's it for today. NZDs from yesterday. Alright, yesterday and JPYs for today. NZDs are break even. I'm basically risking 2% right now. That's it, guys. Thank you for joining. I hope you enjoy the session. Let's see how this trade gonna play out. We're gonna see you tomorrow, 9 a.m. sharp again. Don't forget to like this stream. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.